Hey guys, welcome. Made a mistake on your 2024 tax return filled with Taxact. Well, no stress, I'm showing you how to amend your return on Taxact step by step to fix errors. So first, grab your stuff. You'll need your original 2024 return, any new forms like corrected W-2 or 1099, and proof for new deductions like charity receipts. If you filed with Taxact, log into your account at taxact.com. Go to my account and download your return PDF. No copy. Get a tax transcript from irs.gov. Using the Get Transcript tool, it says Tax Access Blog. Wait for the IRS to accept your original return and send any refund before amending to avoid mix-ups. After that, guys, log into Taxact Online or desktop for 2024, free users need to upgrade to Plus or Premium for amendments per Taxact sites. Open your return, click Filling on the left, then Amend Federal Return. If you see an error saying to complete filling steps, click Print Return and view it first. No need to print. Follow the prompts to revise your return. For example, add a missed W-2 under Federal, then Income. I fixed a forgotten deduction in 10 minutes this way. After that, guys, Taxact autofills Form 1040X, the IRS amendment form. Note, each change and why, like added W-2 from new job, in the explanation of charges section. Only include corrected forms like a new Schedule C, not unchanged ones, per Taxact guide. For state returns, click State, Amended Return, under Miscellaneous Topics, but the most states require mailing, not e-filling. After that, finish the amendment, then print and mail Form 1040X to the IRS address. After that, attach new forms and mail by certified mail for tracking. Check status after 3 weeks at the IRS website. And processing takes up to 16 weeks. And that's how you amend a tax return on Taxact, guys. Fix your return, drop your story below, like and subscribe, and hit that bell for more tax hacks. Catch you next time.